Chile is set to have its youngest president ever after 35-year-old leftist Gabriel Boric won in Sunday's elections. It marks a remarkable rise for Chile's progressive left and ends one of the most divisive contests the country's seen in decades. Boric supporters were out cheering, hugging, and waving flags in the streets of the capital, Santiago. The young leader thanked voters as he accepted victory on Sunday night.
I want to address all Chileans who are listening to us. I want you and our people to know that I will do my best to rise to this tremendous challenge. Our country shows its best when we unite for significant challenges.
The final two candidates offered polarized visions for the future. Far-right rival José Antonio Cast ran on a law and order campaign, has been compared to former U.S. President Donald Trump, and is a defender of the former Chilean dictator Augusto Pinochet. Meanwhile, Boric tapped into anger over decades of market-oriented economics, widely seen as fostering inequality. In his campaign for president, he promised to make the changes Chileans demanded in massive protests in 2019, including over pensions and education. Those demonstrations sparked a formal process to redraft Chile's decades-old constitution. That text will face a referendum next year.